Yeah, that's one right there, ain't there?
You tearing your shit up?
Yep.
Good, and you pulled.
I did pull.
One.
Where you at? You're all around but the center. You're here, here, and here?
Yeah.
You tighten up your shot grip.
You're breathing.
Yeah.
To the firing line. Do not handle your weapon until instructed.
You ready to get down?
When you're tall, please trigger.
Shooters, move your selected. Fire. Shooters, move your hand, or move your selected switch from semi-safe, or move your hands from your weapon. Clear left, clear right, shoot.
What's your name on it?
You keep your same height.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So when you say that, like not like being fixated.
Like, see, most of the time, like when I'm coming out here to zero, I aim right here at the bottom of the target.
Yes.
That way, I put my change. That's why when we say you were up here, we made the adjustments. Then you were kind of down here. Now, when you have your shot group together, go ahead and take it off. When your shot group's together or whatnot, but you have one that dips up or dips down, that's your breathing.
Yes, sir.
It's going left or right. That's your trigger.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right side. At this time, collect your weapon, magazine, target, pistol, anything you brought on the range with you. Keeping your weapon pointed.
Where they were getting it running.
Sometimes your mag.
Out of the barn. Well, we've been eastern now.
Yeah. That's Army issue.